Hi people, welcome to Connect2Code. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the problem which was asked in the Cognizant GenC exam. Okay, Cognizant GenC exam. So, let us move into the problem. In a busy factory, each product on the assembly line is monitored by sensors and calculate the impact sum. So, we need to calculate the impact sum of all over the product around it. The impact sum. How can we calculate the impact sum? Impact sum for each product is defined as sum of all other product weights in the array. Okay, so if you want to find any impact sum, we need to do all the other product sum. Okay, see, let's say we have one array here. In the test case, they have given one array called 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so if you see, if I want to calculate the impact sum for this one, okay, if I want to calculate the impact sum for this one, okay, then what I need to do? So I need to do the sum of all other elements except this element. Okay, so to optimize this code, okay, to optimize this code, what I am going to do? So I will first I will get the sum of all the numbers. Okay, so if I do the sum of all the numbers, then what will be our output, guys? What will be our sum? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so 10. 10 will be our output. So to get the impact sum, guys, okay, to get the impact sum, okay, so I am removing to get the impact sum for 1. So 10 minus 1, if I am doing 10 minus 1, then I will get the 9. So like this I am going to calculate the impact sum. So if I want to calculate the impact sum for 2, then in the like I am subtracting the 2 from the sum. Okay, then I will get the impact sum for these two. So what is the impact sum for these two? 1 plus 3 plus 4, it will be 8. Here also I will get 8. So but this one is the efficient way to get the impact sum. Okay, to get the impact sum. So let us go into the problem. Excluding the weight of the product at the current production. Okay, weight of the products. Okay, weight of the products. Okay, weight of the products at the current position. However, to avoid the overheating the sensors, if the impact sum of the product exceeds the maximum threshold, they are going to give the threshold also, guys. Okay, they are going to give the threshold. Okay, so here, okay, threshold. So the sensor should display the impact value as for the product. The sensor. Okay, so if the impact sum, okay, if the impact sum exceeds the threshold value, then we need to show the threshold value only. Okay, then we need to show the threshold value only. After calculating the impact sum, if you want to if the impact sum is greater than the threshold, okay, threshold, then we need to show the threshold only. Okay, see, again I am going to calculate the impact sum for 3. To calculate the, to get the impact sum for the, I am like sum minus that particular element. If I do sum minus that particular element, then I will get the impact sum. So what is the sum? 10, guys. 10 minus what is the element we are considering? 3. 7. If I do manually also, 1 plus 2 plus 4, then I will get 7. Okay, but if I do like this means, so what you are going to do? You will first thing you will write two loops. Okay, and every time you will calculate the sum. So it will take O of n square. But if you see the test cases, in the Cognizant GenC test cases, we have 10 test cases. Remember that one. We have 10 test cases. So so in those 10 test cases, two test cases are, okay, remember, two test cases are time complexity test cases. Okay, and two test cases are corner test cases. Two test cases are necessary test cases. Okay, like this we have 2 2 2 and 4 test cases are basic test cases. In those basic test cases we are going to get 2 test cases which they are given as a examples. Okay, so totally you are going to get the 10 test cases. Fine. So to clear these time complexity test cases we need to write in the optimized way. So to write the code in the optimized way I am using this algorithm or this logic. Okay, this logic. So first I am going to calculate the sum. Actually very easy to calculate the sum, right guys? So how can you calculate the sum? Anyone of you? Yeah guys. So to sum the array what we are going to do, see, like this, what is the output specification, what they are expecting? Return a new array result where in each element represent the impact sum of all impact sum for each product. Okay, impact sum for each product we need to, we should, okay, what we should do, we should return the new array. Okay, new array. Fine. So I will open this one. See, same like this you are going to get the uh, code in the console. Okay, first remove or comment this line. Okay, first remove or comment this line in the exam. So I am removing this line. After that, to calculate the sum, okay, to calculate the sum what I am going to do, I am going to take one variable called sum and I will assign 0. So after that I need to traverse the array, right? So if you see here, what are the input specifications what they are given? So input 1 will be the count of the products. Mean count of the product means length of the array. Okay, length of array. Okay, length of array. So what is the input 2? An integer array. Okay, input 2 will be the integer array. And what is the input 3 which they have given? So input 3 is the maximum threshold. Okay, see what I will do guys. So first I will get the sum of the array elements. To get the sum of the array elements I am going to take one variable and I will traverse my array. To traverse my array I am going to take the index positions. Okay, see, input 1, what is the input 1 guys? Input 1 is the length of the array, right? So to sum the array elements, to sum equals to sum plus input 2 of I. See guys, if you are confusing with the variables input 1, input 2, input 3, then you can change the variable names also in the exam. Okay, you can change the variable names also in the exam. Okay, so you can change the variable names and you can use those variable names. Okay, so after getting the sum, what we should return guys? We should return one array. What is the size of the array? If we have 4 products means, then see, if we have 4 products, then the output will be also 4 products only, 4 impacts only. So for each array element, we will going to get one impact sum. Okay, we are going to get one impact sum, guys. Okay, see. Then, so I am declaring with array with the size of input 1, with size of input 1. So ans, okay, equals to new int of input 1. Okay, fine guys. So after declaring the array, to calculate the impact sum, again I will traverse the my array. So again I am traversing my array. Okay, so while traversing, what I will do guys, while traversing what I will do, again I will get the impact sum. See, I will get the impact sum. See, so to get the impact sum I am going to take impact sum. Okay, equals to what I have explained in the video, before video, like, so we need to get the impact sum we need to subtract the element from the sum, right? So what is the array? Input 2 is the array. Input 2 I, input 2 of I. Okay, see, so after that what we need to what we need to check, we need to check one condition. We need to check the threshold. Okay, to check the threshold, so if the impact sum, okay, if the impact sum is greater than the threshold, okay, if the impact sum is greater than the threshold, then i will get I will get, okay, I will get threshold into the impact sum. After that I will assign that value to my ANS array. Okay, see, impact sum. Okay, that's it. After that we need to return the answer array. Okay, this is our code, guys. I will execute the code. See once. So what we got? We got 8, sorry, 9876. Okay, 9876. This is the optimized code to solve this impact sum problem, which impact sum problem which was asked in the GenC exam, guys. Okay, it's a very easy question. Okay, it's a very easy question, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel.